Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. When I took the road trip to north, I found these waterfalls at Santa Monica. The name of the waterfalls is Tuk Tuk Waterfalls. This is the only waterfalls available in Siargao. So if you travel to the north, please don't miss it. It is a beautiful place. If you want to know the more information, please check out the video in my channel. Before I leave this place, I took some photos. Then I continue my journey to the north. Next stop, that is going to be Alegria beach. It was located from this waterfalls almost like 15 minutes drive, so it is nearby. I was very happy when I was close by. You can clearly see the happiness in my face. I heard a lot of good things about this Alegria beach. It was a quite sunny day. It is good for any type of video. When I walk close by, you can see my face getting dull because of the low tide. The water was very far away from the beach, so which I cannot enjoy too much. After I see this low tide, I didn't even want to fly my drone over here because the water is very far away from the beach. I was very disappointed. Anyway, not everything goes according to your plan. You are there, it was a sunny day, but it is low tide time. Probably you have to come back here for 4 o'clock for the high tide. Then you will enjoy more. Whenever I get disappointed and angry, I always look for food because when I eat, I will get calmed down. The food makes me very calm down. Either way, now almost like 12:30. We both looking for a place to eat. Along the way, we can see a lot of scenic views. We found a small restaurant in Burgos beach. We ordered food and eat. Just a fried chicken, chicken adabo, and some sweet Coca-Cola. We enjoyed the food. Then we start explore the Burgos beach. Still is a low tide. Until 4 o'clock, we cannot enjoy any other beach nearby. So I started taking some picture and relax a little bit over there and asked the driver, at least we can see some viewpoint. He said there's a nice viewpoint nearby the Burgos Coastline, so we are heading to there. On the way, lot of scenic view. This place is worth to take a drone video, so we decided to stop over here and check for the viewpoint. We found a place. We start to explore Burgos Coastline. If you like this video so far, please subscribe and share to your friends. That would be awesome. I recommend anyone not to go alone like this because we are going away from the main road. The path is, there is not a path, just you walk through the bush. But looks like somebody was having a small hut over here. When I saw this, I was very happy. So we decided to sit down over here and fly my drone. Even though it's low tide, the waves are too high. The water was so clear. Behind us there's a lot of coconut trees. The weather was perfect. There is no doubt about it. But only thing is low tide. Even though the situation is not matching for our taste, still we try to enjoy the place and try to enjoy my last day in Siargao. Next time when I go to Siargao, I stay in the north, so I can see the place in high tide. That will be awesome. So there is another reason to come to Siargao again. Look at the coastline. The coastline looks very beautiful. Even the low tide, it looks like this. Imagine high tide. Everywhere the crystal clear water looks amazing, and I really love it. After I get this footage, I'm really happy. So far, I seen the fiesta, then the waterfalls, then the coastline. Not bad for the day. Still 3 more hours to go. We are planned to go next beach is Pacifico Beach. That beach is much better than this one, so I'm looking forward to go there. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below and subscribe. That would be awesome. I say goodbye to Burgos Coastline and heading to our bike.